फेसिंग डिफिकल्टी इन मैथ्स टफ लगता है। एक गलती और मार्क्स कट। अब ये टेंशन को करते हैं हमेशा के लिए ख़त्म। लेट्स गेट आवर कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर। पर्सनल अटेंशन एंड स्टेप बाय स्टेप लर्निंग। Book your free demo today. Try first, pay later only when you like. Link on the description. Click on the link, select your class. After selecting your class, add in your phone number and book in your free demo so that never ever you have to face any difficulty in maths. Planet Spark gives one-stop solution for all the difficulties in maths. So just book your free demo today itself and don't forget to subscribe. Ria is helping her mom in kitchen. She sees a tall cold drink can and big water storage tank outside her house. She wonders how much juice can this hold and how much paint is needed to cover the water tank. So at Planet Spark, we believe maths becomes fun when we connect with real life. So today in Planet Spark, we are going to learn that volume of a cylinder is how much space it can hold. Curved surface area of the cylinder is the area around its curved sides and total surface area is the complete outer covering of the cylinder. Let's see what a cylinder looks like. This is the shape of the cylinder. A cylinder has two circular bases at the top and the bottom, radius and height. So base of the cylinder is a circle. If base of the cylinder is circle and I'm only supposed to find out area of the base, then area of the base or the circumference of the base is going to be equal to the circumference or the area of the circle. Let's first find out circumference of the base. Circumference of the base would be circumference of circle, which is 2 pi r. Area of the base would be area of circle, which is pi r square. Right now over here, I was only discussing about the base of the cylinder. Now let's talk about the cylinder as a whole. CSE of cylinder is when we talk about a hollow cylinder which doesn't has a top and bottom. It is open from top and bottom. In that case, we find out CSE of cylinder without top and bottom. So that is 2 pi RH is the formula. TSA of the cylinder is the total surface area of the cylinder wherein the top and bottom of the cylinder is also included. So it is a closed cylinder and the formula is 2 pi r bracket h plus r. Moving on to the concept of volume. Volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Volume is how much quantity it can hold, how much space is occupied. Supposingly, I'm having a Coke can. I have to find out how much Coke is it in there. So I have to find out volume. But if I have to paint the surfaces, I need to find out either CSA or TSA depending upon whether it is hollow or closed. Let's start with the question. Find the volume and the CSA of the cylinder having base radius 10.5 centimeter and height 18 centimeter. So radius is 10.5 centimeter, which you can completely as it is take it. But a Planet Spark tip over here. Let's just reduce it into simplest form. First, I'll convert it into fraction and then I'll reduce it in the simplest form. So 10.5 will become 105 upon 10 and when dividing by 5, I'll get 21 upon 2 centimeter. Height is equal to 18 centimeter. Volume of the cylinder is that we have to find out. Volume of the cylinder, the formula is pi r square h. Pi in this case, if it is not mentioned, we can use 22 upon 7 or 3.14. In this case, let's take it as 22 upon 7. R square is 21 upon 2 into 21 upon 2 because radius is 21 upon 2 and h is 18. Now, if you see, when I have reused it as 21 upon 2, I'm able to do the cancellations. Since I'm able to do the cancellations, my simplification becomes easier. So, volume turns out to be 6,237 centimeter cube. Again, a very important tip from Planet Spark that volume is always written as centimeter cube, meter cube or cubic meters. The unit is cubic unit because in a volume there are 3 units which are involved. R square and h. 2 times we are taking radius and 1 time we are taking height. CSA of the cylinder, the formula is 2 pi r h. So 2 pi r h, in place of pi, we'll have 22 upon 7. So let's put it 2 into 22 upon 7. Radius is 21 upon 2 and h is going to be again 18. Again, we are going to reduce in the simplest form by dividing. 7 and 21 will get cancelled, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So, I am left with 1188 centimeters square. Again, remember, surface area, whether CSA or LSA, it's always in square units, either centimeter square or meter square, but it is always going to be in the square units. Just remember this tip. Moving on to TSA of cylinder. TSA of cylinder, the formula is 2 pi r bracket h plus r. In place of 2, we will write on 2 into 22 upon 7. R is 21 upon 2. Bracket h plus r. So, in bracket h is 18 and r is 21 upon 2. Now, let's just make the cancellations. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 7 and 21 will get cancelled. So, I'm left with 66. In bracket, we are going to take the LCM and we are going to solve. Once we take the LCM is 2. So, we'll have 36 plus 21 over 2. Again, we can cancel and we would be left with 33 into 57. So, remember 10.5 I have converted as 21 upon 2 just in order to make my calculations easier. Moving to the next question. The circumference of the base is 176 centimeter. Circumference of the base of cylinder is 176 centimeter. Height is 65 centimeter. We have to find out the volume of the cylinder and the CSA of the cylinder. So, in this case, we are given the circumference of the base. Now, base of the cylinder is a circular shape. So, circumference of the circle, the formula is 2 pi r. So, the circumference of the base, that is 2 pi r, is going to be equal to 176. From here, we are going to find out radius. We are given the height, we are not given the radius. So, from this equation, we are first going to find out radius. Because without knowing radius, we cannot find out volume and CSA. So, radius will become 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is 176. 7 would be multiplied on the other side, 22 and 2 would be divided. So, I would be left with radius is equal to 28 centimeter. Now, let's put the values in the formula and find out volume and CSA. Formula for volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Again, in place of pi, we are going to write on 22 upon 7. Radius we have got as 28. So, 28 into 28 and height we are given as 65. 7 and 28 will get cancelled. I would be left with 22 into 4 into 28 into 5. And on multiplying, I'll get 160 centimeter cube. Now, let's find out CSA of cylinder. Just remember, CSA is always of a hollow figure. No top, no bottom. When top and bottom are not to be included, then it is CSA. This is a direct question telling us to find out CSA. So, CSA formula is 2 pi RH. That is 2 into 22 upon 7 into 28 into 65. 7 and 28 will get cancelled. So, I would be left with 2 into 22 into 4 into 65, which is 440 centimeters square. Moving on to next question. A cylindrical tank has capacity 5632 meter cube. Capacity means how much it can hold. That means I am given the volume. So, volume of this tank is given to me is 5632 meter cube. I need to find out the diameter of, and the diameter of the base given to me is 16. I need to find out depth. Now, depth and height are same. If my figure is going upwards, it would be height. If it is going downwards, it would be depth. So, pi r square h is equal to 5632. Volume is given to us as 5632. Pi is 22 upon 7. In place of r, we will write on 28 into 28 into h. So, on cancellation and simplifying, we'll take our numbers to the other side. I'll get 5632 upon 22 into 4 into 28. Further, we are going to cancel this. And on further cancellation, we are going to get that the height of the cylinder is 28 centimeter. I hope the question is clear with everyone. And in today's video, we have discussed formula for volume is pi r square h, CSA is 2 pi r h, TSA is 2 pi r bracket h plus r. And very important, the difference between CSA and TSA. CSA is of hollow figure. This was Avneet from Planet Spark. Keep learning, keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe. To book your free demo, check the link in the bio or simply type pspark.in in your browser today. So for one-stop solution of all your maths problems, click the link on the description. Select your class. After selecting your class, you just have to add your phone number and get your free demo booked now. Let's start and solve all the difficulties that we are facing in maths.